Montessori, learn with fun. Watch, listen, speak.
Hello. Today we learn alphabets A to Z. Let's start. A. A is for ant. Ant. B. B is for bear. Bear. C. C is for cat. Cat. D. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. H. H is for horse. Horse. I. I is for iguana. Iguana. J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L. L is for lion. Lion. M. M is for monkey. Monkey. N. N is for nightingale. Nightingale. O. O is for owl. Owl. P. P is for porcupine. Porcupine. Q. Q is for koail. Koail. R. R is for rat. Rat. S. S is for seal. Seal. T. T is for turtle. Turtle. U. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. V. V is for vulture. Vulture. W. W is for worm. Worm. X. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y. Y is for yak. Yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.